Do you think real estate is going to crash in US? As a real estate broker, the question I am most often asked is the housing market going to crash? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker from the SF Bay Area. With today's housing market, everyone is thinking what is happening with home prices. You may remember the housing crash in 2008, and even if you did not own a house back then, you may have some reservation for a repeat. Good news. As we come to the end of the year, the housing market did not crash, and that is not on the field for 2024. One important reason for this is there are not enough homes for sale. For a market to crash, there would have to be an oversupply of inventory. According to Bankrate, and I quote, "This ongoing lack of inventory explains why many buyers still have little choice but to bid up prices, indicating that supply and demand equation won't allow a price crash in the near future." In fact, foreclosure filings are at an all-time low, mainly due to the forbearance program of 2020. So, as we like to stay in real estate, although we do not have a crystal ball, inventory levels are not anywhere near where they need to be in order for prices to drop significantly to cause a crash. If you would like more housing data to see what is happening in your local area, reach out to my team and me so that we can help you to strategize your next move. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.